Looking for a secure way to manage your crypto? Let's talk about Trezor Suite app. It's the official desktop platform to Trezor hardware wallets, offering secure access to your crypto portfolio. You can send, receive, buy, sell, and track your coins, all with top-level protection thanks for Trezor physical device integration. Trezor Suite also supports privacy features like Tor and gives you fully visibility of your crypto performance. The interface is clean, easy to use, and regularly updated by Satoshi Labs. But here's the catch. You need a Trezor device to use it. It's not ideal for beginners or mobile-only users. So, is it worth it? If you already have a Trezor and value security above all, absolutely. If you're looking for something more flexibility or mobile, you might want to look elsewhere. That's the Trezor Suite app. Features, pros, and cons made in simple.